As of Friday, last day of trading week, we can see that gold is getting volatile. So I will be looking at multi-time frame aspect on gold to see where we can find our trading opportunity on this last day of trading week. So guys and girls, make sure you stick till the end of this analysis to see where is the next opportunity that we can look for. First of all, looking at the monthly chart to see overall picture in the market. Now from the monthly we can see that gold is long term bull market. This month we have seen that significant bearish move, and if we look at the overall picture we can see that it's a bounce. This is the monthly candle, and we can see the market form series of lower high. This is the monthly resistance line, and so far it formed a long wick at the bottom. It's almost beginning of the month, and I think that the market may try to fill that wick again later this month. Dropping down to the weekly chart to see how the price action is forming. Now from the weekly we can see that there is a weekly candle, and this weekly candle forms series of lower high in that area, and at the same time there is a long wick at the bottom. Now weekly candle is important because it's almost at the end of the week, last day of trading week, and with this long wick at the bottom, expecting gold to drop down to fill that wick later today. What I think that we might see a retest of the resistance, or at least some form of pullback, as the market is still bearish, though it's a long-term bull, but we could see filling of this long wick at the bottom. Dropping down to the daily chart, we saw last day there was a big bounce on gold, and with this move from here, what we can see a drop, a deeper pullback. Now let's see the Fibonacci perspective of this market here. We can see that from the Fibonacci, the price is above 50%, nearing to 61.8%. So it has done enough pullback, and with this pullback expecting gold to drop down further. And I think that later today, as there's a cat news which also may impact gold price, and I think that the market might be dropping down here to retest this neckline, also the daily 20 EMS. So the bias could still be downside, but at the same time before it drop it might retest this daily resistance line again. Dropping down to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that there is a long wick doji here, which is significant doji from the 4-hour perspective, and this candle also closing, and we can see that it's also forming a red candle. I think that the market may drop further. As you can see, this is the intraday movement, a complete green move followed by a couple of dojis. So also if we consider the pullback perspective, we can see the market still didn't reach the minimum Fibonacci level, which is a 38.2% Fibonacci level. And also there is a for our 20 EMA, and I think that this is a very important area of value, expecting gold later today to come down for a deeper pullback, and I think that the market may continue to rise again from this level. So this is the level. From the day trading perspective, we can look for potential entry, and at the same time if we look at the 15-minute chart, we can see a significant support, a big bounce followed by a deeper pullback here, and this is where I will be waiting for gold to come down and then to test this level, to retest, and then to bounce back up. So this is where I will be waiting for potential bullish trading opportunity on gold. In the meantime, if we see significant rejection from the top on the lower time frame, also we can look for potential selling opportunity. Traders, if you're enjoying this analysis, make sure that you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Join the free Telegram channel, link below this video, for more free education and updates that I'm posting every single day. So with that said, thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.